Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Kurasushi has to be Japan's most joyful conveyor belt sushi bar, Sushi and Revolving restaurant. Popular with locals and travelers alike, Kurasushi is one of the biggest restaurant chains in Japan, a fun and inexpensive dining experience. All of the sushi, snacks and drinks arrive by conveyor belt. Even putting away your finished, dirty dishes has been gamified. For every 5 dirty plates you drop into a slot on your table, you get a free go at an online game, Smart. As prices at Kurasushi in Japan start from just 115 yen, less than $1, £1 a piece in 2025. It is one of the most affordable and authentic revolving sushi bar experiences you'll encounter. Kanpai to Kaiten Sushi at Kurasushi. Try saying that after several sakes. From ordering food to sushi conveyor belt etiquette plus our visit to Japan's largest Kurasushi, here is our ultimate guide to eating at Kurasushi in Japan in 2025. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you are looking for a sushi experience that combines health, high-tech hygiene, and pure entertainment, Kurasushi is your destination. Unlike other chains that focus purely on volume or toppings, Kurasushi has carved out a unique position as the safest and most fun sushi chain in Japan. With its patented protective domes and famous capsule toy games, it is especially popular with families and health-conscious diners. Kurasushi prides itself on a strict health policy. They do not use the 4 major additives in any of their ingredients, over 200 types, including the sushi, soy sauce, vinegar, and broth. No chemical seasonings, no artificial sweeteners, no synthetic colorants, no artificial preservatives. This commitment makes it the top choice for parents and those sensitive to food additives. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Fukuoka, Japan playlist. The most distinct feature of Kurasushi is the transparent dome covering every plate on the belt. This is called Sendokun, or Mr. Fresh. Why is it there? Developed over 10 years and protected by patents, this system was created to protect sushi from airborne bacteria, viruses, and dust. Long before the global pandemic raised hygiene awareness, Kurasushi was already sealing its food. Eating at Kurasushi is a game, literally. Eat sushi. Finished plates are not left on the table. You slide them into a disposal slot at the side of your table. Count. The system automatically counts your plates. The game. For every 5 plates you insert, an animation plays on your touch panel. If you get a Tori win, a Gashapon capsule toy usually featuring an anime collaboration like Demon Slayer or Detective Conan rolls out of a machine of your table. Please do watch our other food crawl series. Pro tip, Bikurapan plus the standard win rate is not guaranteed. However, Kurasushi recently introduced a plus system. By paying an extra 10 yuan per plate, the win rate changes to 1 in 3 games guaranteed. You can select this option on the tablet before you start eating. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Have you been to Fukuoka, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.